What if I told you there's an animal that can regrow its legs, repair parts of its brain, and keep its baby features for its entire life? It might sound like a creature from a science fiction movie, but it's completely real. Meet the axolotl, a fascinating amphibian often called the Mexican walking fish, even though it isn't a fish at all. From incredible regeneration powers to ancient Aztec legends, here are 20 amazing facts about the axolotl. Stay until the end because fact number 20 reveals a superpower that scientists are still trying to understand. Let's dive in. Fact 1. It isn't a fish. Despite being nicknamed the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is actually an amphibian. It belongs to the salamander family. Unlike fish, it has lungs and can breathe air when necessary. Fact 2. Its name comes from Aztec mythology. The name axolotl comes from the Aztec god Xotl. According to legend, Xotl transformed himself into this creature to avoid sacrifice. This ancient connection makes the axolotl one of the most culturally significant amphibians in the world. Fact 3. It comes from Mexico. Axolotls are native to Mexico. Historically, they lived in lakes around what is now Mexico City. Today, their natural habitat is extremely limited. Fact 4. They have feathery gills. One of the axolotl's most recognizable features is its external gills. These feathery structures stick out from the sides of its head. They help absorb oxygen directly from the water. Fact 5. They look like they're smiling. Axolotls appear to have permanent smiles. The shape of their mouths creates a friendly expression that has made them famous around the world. Fact 6. They stay young forever. Most amphibians undergo metamorphosis and become adults. Axolotls are different. They retain many juvenile characteristics throughout their lives. Scientists call this phenomenon neoteny. Fact 7. They can breathe in 3 different ways. Axolotls are incredibly versatile. They can absorb oxygen through their gills, lungs, and skin. Few animals have such flexibility. Fact 8. They can regenerate limbs. If an axolotl loses a leg, it can grow a new one. The replacement limb can function almost exactly like the original. This ability has amazed scientists for decades. Fact 9. They can regenerate their tail. Legs aren't the only body parts they can replace. Axolotls can also regrow damaged tail. This helps them recover from injuries that would permanently affect many other animals. Fact 10. They can repair parts of their heart. One of the most astonishing discoveries about axolotls is their ability to regenerate heart tissue. This remarkable healing power is one reason researchers study them so intensely.
Fact 11. They can repair parts of their brain. Scientists have found that axolotls can regenerate portions of their nervous system. This includes parts of their brain and spinal cord. Very few vertebrates possess this capability. Fact 12. They come in different colors. Wild axolotls are usually dark brown or black. However, captive-bred axolotls can be pink, white, golden, gray, or even albino. These colorful varieties have become popular among animal enthusiasts. Fact 13. They are carnivores. Axolotls are meat eaters. Their diet includes worms, insects, small fish, crustaceans, and other aquatic creatures. They swallow prey whole. Fact 14. They hunt using suction. Instead of chewing, axolotls create a powerful suction force. Water and prey rush into their mouths in an instant. This hunting method is extremely effective underwater. Fact 15. They have tiny teeth. Axolotls do have teeth, but they're very small. These teeth are used mainly to grip prey rather than chew it. Fact 16. They are most active at night. Axolotls are generally nocturnal. They become more active after dark when searching for food. This behavior helps them avoid predators. Fact 17. They are critically endangered in the wild. Although millions exist in captivity, wild axolotl populations have declined dramatically. Habitat destruction, pollution, and invasive species threaten their survival. Fact 18. They are scientific superstars. Researchers around the world study axolotls. Their regenerative abilities may one day help scientists develop treatments for human injuries and diseases. Fact 19. They became internet celebrities. Thanks to their cute appearance and constant smile, axolotls have become social media stars. They appear in games, animations, toys, and educational videos worldwide. Fact 20. They possess one of nature's greatest superpowers. Perhaps the most incredible fact of all is that axolotls can regenerate multiple body parts repeatedly throughout their lives. Limbs, tail sections, heart tissue, spinal cord tissue, and more can regrow with remarkable accuracy. Even today, scientists are still trying to fully understand how this biological superpower works. The axolotl may hold secrets that could one day transform medicine forever. From their permanent smiles and feathery gills to their unbelievable regenerative abilities, axolotls are truly among the most extraordinary animals on Earth. Which fact surprised you the most? Did you know they can regrow limbs and repair parts of their heart and brain? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible animal facts. Thanks for watching TwenT Facts, where every fact is an adventure. See you in the next video.